Hey guys, it's your boy Scorply with Hair Bliss. I'm coming at you. So I want to do an unboxing. I got me a new gift today, a new toy for myself. I went and bought a flat iron, guys. I've had my last one for about, I want to say, since 2016. So it's been hitting the 5-year mark. It was about that time. Poor little Neuro. So this was my Paul Mitchell Neuro. When I had went back to school in 2016, I had purchased this flat iron, and she has held strong. She has done the job since, and she's still going, actually, to be honest. But I know when it's that breakdown season when you're getting ready to say kapoo, and so here we are. So I had to go ahead and retire her. So stay tuned. I got a good surprise for you guys on what I decided to buy. Okay. And here we go. Here it is, the Paul Mitchell Neuro Halo. This baby right here, this is some strong artistic machinery right here. No, but this thing is awesome. So I'm not one of those who settles for less, but I will wait and wait and wait and wait until I can get what I want. I wanted this flat iron since it came out about like 3 years ago. It's been top of the line for the last 3 years. And I finally got it. I broke the $200 and I got it. And guess what I'm gonna do today, guys? I am going to do my hair. I'm gonna be doing my hair and y'all get to watch. Ain't that awesome? Y'all can see me do another blowout on my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna test this thing out and let y'all see firsthand what it does, how it does, and make it do what it do, baby. So guys, I will be right back. I'm about to go get beautified because I look like Hoot Nanny. But yes, I will be right back with you guys and hey guys, all right, I'm back. Yes. So I haven't got anything in my hair yet. I just washed my hair with my stimulating shampoo by Hair Bliss, my product. And baby, when I tell you, so they say it's gonna rain, then it snows. They'll say it's gonna snow, and then it's like 105 degrees outside, like summer just came. That's Houston for you. Yep, that's Texas. But yeah, so I just detangled my hair. I am about to put in my CeraVe Thermique leave-in conditioner. And when I rave so much about, I'm about to throw this in my hair, y'all. And we're gonna get to blow drying and then see what this trusty new flat iron Paul Mitchell blessed me with got to say today. So, want to let y'all know, so I have another product that's gonna be coming out soon. I'm going to be making a tonic. And so pretty much this hair tonic is like kind of like a botanical treatment. You apply it to the hair and it's like a deep saturating, deep condition on the hair. It instantly turns the hair into silk. Relaxes the hair. Let's say you have Let's say you have crispy or your hair's a little on the dry side. You've been having some breakage. You don't want to necessarily do like a whole keratin treatment or nothing like that right now, or you're not due yet, or you're still, not ready to spend that much money. You can get you this take-home botanical that you're going to spray in your hair, and pretty much it's going to add elasticity to the hair. It's going to revive the hair, bring shine back to the hair, bring it back to life, add that volume that was lost. A lot of you who are getting up there in age and noticing your hair isn't as lusterful as what it used to be before, you'll be able to use this product and revive that hair and get that bounce back, get that luster back. And yeah, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be coming out in a couple of weeks. And so as you see here, I just did my little leave-in conditioner, put that in there, rub that through really good. And now I'm about to start blow drying, and I will definitely come back to y'all so y'all can see this flat iron process. I'm excited. So, this is me halfway doing a blow dry. I just wanted to get my hair dry enough so I can start my flat iron and get to that process. But yes, guys, it doesn't look like it, but I have a lot of hair. It's just very fine, and it likes to hide under oils and all type of other stuff. But yeah, let's get to this flat iron. I'm expecting some amazing results. Let's get with it. So guys, I'm about to get started on this hair. Look who's peeking in at me. Okay, you see him? Thor. You trying to say hi to me, Thor? He always wants to be a part of the scene. He just feels like he's needed, I guess. Hey babies, what's up? What's up, babies? What you doing? Already scared to run out the building. Yeah, that's Thor, guys. So, back to the flat iron. This thing is awesome. Are you coming back, baby? So, I already love the little snapback, how it goes back in place or whatever. It feels nice. It sits in my hand really good. You know, knock somebody out if I wanted to. But we're not using that for this. We're not using that for this. But other than that, yeah, I'm about to go through. Let's see. I'm trying to find the heat dial. Everything's like touch screen on this little thing. Oh, there we go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and set this. I think I want to do 360. Start off and see what happens. And that's cool. So it looks like fine, medium, coarse, and then professional use only. All right. And then I can put it on whatever heat setting, like if I just want to do like my own 271 or something like that, I can do that, which is pretty cool. So I can put this on like 314. It doesn't have to be like 320 or 330. It can be on like 314. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, we're about to get to this and see how this goes. And I'm excited, guys. It looks like it can do some damage. Not like bad damage, but I'm saying like, you know, get the job done. Well, let's see. All right, guys, so this is it. These are the results of my new flat iron, and I love it so much. That halo, when I tell you, so if you noticed in the video, I barely had to go over anything more than like once, a couple times, maybe twice if I had to reach at the root. So it's a new flat iron. I'm still kind of, you know, getting used to it, and, you know, my sectioning and everything like that. But overall, I will say, like, this thing is bomb. So my hair actually has a fuller appearance from it, and then I still have my silky smooth straight from the titanium plates. So myth, guys, ceramic, bull crap. Don't do it. Yes. So like ceramic, if you really just like want something that's gonna like, you know, press your hair or whatever and just give you that nice smooth look for like 2 seconds, ceramic's the best way to go. As soon as you go outside, it's gonna poof. Now, titanium plates, which is what my new flat iron has, it likes to seal in the moisture. It locks in that smooth look, that smooth feel. It smoothens out the cuticle, seals it for you. And you have this unbelievable movement and shine. And I am loving it. So I can really tell the difference. Yeah, my old flat iron was going out. It was not delivering these same. And then also it could be somewhat that it's the Halo, which is the upgraded version than what I had too as well. So price difference was, mine was $150 normal price. This one was $180, reduced down to $180, comes up to like $2 something. But yeah, anywho, but yeah, I really do love this, y'all. Like, I feel like my hair got thicker, but I know it didn't. It's just the flat iron, the effect that it has on it. Cause over time, they distribute heat differently. Sometimes the heat range will get off, and sometimes it's putting out too much heat, sometimes putting out too less heat, sometimes it starts putting out positive ions instead of the negative ions, which helps smoothens the hair, giving you more static and stuff like that. And you can really see this is what I've been needing. This was a gift well worth waiting for, I will say that. So this was my open box review on the Paul Mitchell Neuro. I hope you guys like it. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving it. This is everything. And yeah, feel free to pick it up. So Ulta sells the Paul Mitchell Neuro. You can also get off of Amazon if you don't mind the shipping. You know what I'm saying? Waiting at least like, 2, 3, 7 days. I'm impatient. So I went to Ulta and I went to go get it today. But I'm really happy you guys joined in with me today. I wanted to make sure that y'all got word and got to see the new unboxing and everything. And yes, so all my clients, please come see me. Yes, I will be using this flat iron on your hair. I will be delivering awesome, abundant results that I always give. And thanks for tuning in with me, guys. Thanks for joining with Hair Bliss. Check out the Hair Bliss channel. Make sure you subscribe. Do not leave the Hair Bliss channel without subscribing. I need as many followers as I can get. Y'all have been doing such a great job supporting me and everything, and I really do appreciate y'all. Well, stay tuned with Hair Bliss. I want to thank you guys for joining Hair Bliss and tuning in with me, guys, and checking out my unboxing. It was amazing. These are awesome results. I love the thickness of my hair, the depth, it's the shine, this is everything. So I'm about to put on my clothes and party like a rock star tonight because I got friends' birthdays today and I'm off work. So, but tune in with your boy Hair Bliss. You know what I'm saying? Scorp Lee, bringing it to you, #1. And I appreciate you guys. But yeah, thank you for joining Hair Bliss. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm going to have something else for you soon and shortly.